let's jump directly into it, folks. Trade number 7 is exited. It was stopped out this morning. It was the Ouija board trade, if I recall correctly. This was on WT. A small stock that was a very small mover when it came to dollar amount. We did get a first adjustment to our 2 times ATR, so we adjusted that tighter to 1.5, the same rules that we follow every time. So let's jump directly into it and see how we finished, and then we can journal it. So first off, let's get ourselves a breakdown of what the trade was. This was WT. It was 2,895 shares. It was a long entry at 701, and we got stopped out at 7.24. Now, folks, for you guys that have been following around with us or have traded, this stop was actually at 7.27. It was a trailing stop at 1.5 ATR, which was 18 cents. So one and a half times of that was what, 27 cents. But what's interesting about this is this happened over the morning, and when we are susceptible to gaps, moving higher and lower. And with a share size this high, you will find sometimes that you will get what's referred to as slippage. So this cost us about 3 cents, which, yeah, it's no big deal, but when it comes to the percentage-wise, it could be one. But hey, we don't care here at Flat Earth. We just do what we're supposed to do based on our rules. So let's get directly into our interactive brokers. And as you guys can see, I have already put it up here. There's the chart. You can see it's a pretty aggressive candle to the downside, ran through our stop. This is where it finished at. I've got that trade set up here. You can see we sold the shares for an average price of $7.24. Now, what did that net us? Let's take a look at it. About $614.65. Now, that's after commission. Let's jump over to the slide results. So this is how we finished overall. 3.28% the upside, or 665 before commission, and that's not too bad considering that this trade was pretty slow to move. Didn't need to go too far up and down to change percentage-wise, but that's why we use the ATR that's specific to it. So the last thing we need to do, folks, is jump out to our journal and close it out. So jumping over to our journal, we have to just go down to WT. Here it is. This is the trade we need to close out today. Okay, so let's go out and close WT here. First of all, we need to add a sell order since this was a long. Make sure that we know that we're doing shares. This isn't an option. This is shares of stock. Today's date, because it just closed, and the time is pretty much right now because I just saw it trigger this morning. So let's put in the correct amount of shares, which is 2,835 shares. Let's go over to our price of $7.24. Not the $7.27 that the stop price was actually at, because we did get a little slippage this morning. That happens. Our commissions, $11.71. And I believe that is going to do it for this trade. Let's go ahead and add it. Jumping back to the dashboard, you can see WT at the top here with its nice little gain. So far, we're hitting it out of the park. Don't expect this to stay in this positive area for so long, but pretty good start to our test theory here at Flat Earth Society. Talk to you guys next time. Looking forward to the next trade. Bye, everybody.